How do you build a home that's energy efficient, healthy, and resilient? One that is net zero energy ready and fitted out with the latest cutting edge materials and products. Hi, my name is Nigel Maynard, editor of Custom Builder Magazine and Products. Welcome to Mt Rainier, Maryland, site of our SYMBI Duplex 1. The goal is to build a duplex that is energy efficient, healthy, and resilient. The project started a couple of months ago and construction is going at a good clip. Today we're checking in with the builders Nicole and Matt and taking a look at one of the most important parts of a building, the house wrap. Matt, can you kind of give us a sense of what's happening here today?
Yeah, so today we're putting on the Benjamin Obdyke house wrap. Product is called FlatWrap, and it is a permeable paper that going to keep the shell of our house dry, as well as keeping any sheet water from reaching our OSB of our SIPS panels. This is a little thicker than your standard house wraps. The Obdyke product has a high perm rating, so that if any moisture does get behind it, it allows the moisture out of the face of the product. So these guys like to start at the top. It makes it easier for them when they get to the bottom. This product has a 6-inch horizontal overlap and 6-inch vertical overlaps. And then when we get to the corner, we have a minimum 12 inches that we wrap around the corner to ensure good positive water flow. So these are called cap nails, and for one, they carry a much larger surface area, so it keeps a wrap on, when on a windy day, or it's much better, stable fastener for the wrap, and it also has a better sealing value than the ordinary staple. This product has 120-day exposure, UV exposure, so we'll be well into siding before that 120 days is up.
So before you install any window, you first have to prep the sill pan, of course. Here at SYMBI, we're going to be doing it a little bit differently, which is this blue stuff that you're seeing here. So let's go over and watch Matt Kulp install this Benjamin Obdyke HydroFlash to see exactly how it's done and why they're doing it.
This is the Benjamin Obdyke HydroFlash, which comes in a sausage tube. So there's a special gun for this, and that is right here, and we just drop that in and then we can start using the tube. So this is a liquid applied flashing, and it gives us a little more flexibility than tape. So we're going to start by sealing. We want to go at least 6 inches up on each side, and this is going to create a waterproof membrane for us. So we're going to smooth this out to somewhere between 20 and 40 mil. We're going to lay our house wrap into the first coat to get us a nice tight seal. There we go. We have a continuous waterproof seal right now. That's called our window pan. As an addition, we will put a curb stop in here. One way to do this is to use a piece of cedar siding, a furring strip, basically anything to create this curve. And there you have it. We'll wait 2 to 3 hours while this dries.
But Benjamin Obdyke's flat wrap and its HydroFlash liquid applied aren't the only products we're installing today at SYMBI. Workers are also using HydroFlash UV plus tape to seal off the windows. The product is formulated with an acrylic adhesive for extreme environmental conditions and offers a 12-month UV rating before siding installation begins.
On the integral nailing flange, we want the tape to come up and cover where the flange meets the window frame, because there's no seal there. Okay. So the tape will actually work as a sealant.
So Nicole, it's been a long day, and we've got a lot done. We had the house wrap installed. and we did the sill pan from HydroFlash, is it? So what do we have coming up next?
Right, so this is very SYMBI-esque. We have these very large sliding glass doors, floor-to-ceiling glass that are going to be installed in the back of the house as well.
Okay, great. So that's Nigel and Nicole coming to you from SYMBI House in Mt Rainier, Maryland. See you next time.